So if you can pick your Silverado up off the ground, this is what I work on, guys. Hot Wheels carpet, it's the best. If you can pick your wheel up off the ground, you got some weird tire tread wear, and you can move it this way and this way. That's how you know you got a bad wheel bearing. Now you may think it's your brake pads squeaking, because they'll squeak. But what's happening is this is moving, it's wobbling on there, and it's activating the squeal tab on the pads. I'm going to go ahead and replace these pads, but if you get to your wheel bearing hub assembly and it makes noises like that and wobbles, that means your wheel bearing is bad. You know, this side's gone a whole different type of way. Different noise. Still bad wheel bearing. This is what I was talking about with parts. See how this was made? This is an aftermarket part. I got a local parts house. And the bearing's gone bad. Probably lasted 5 years. It's been bad for like 2, but it got to the point where like I had to do something. Well, this is the part that I just ordered and got in. It's got a grease cap on it. There's no grease cap on that, and the bearing looks like absolute shit. I wonder why it failed. Alright, so I got everything apart. It started pouring on me. Now it is clearing up that it's back together, because that's my life. And no more wiggle. No more wobble. There's a little bit, but that's just from the steering. That was stupid. I can't believe it just dumped shit rain on me. And the skies are blue now. And I have a wheel bearing. Yo, this socket right here has been stuck right there since the last time I did my wheel bearing 7 years ago. Crazy. Every time I go to do something productive to get my life together, it's like, look at the wind all of a sudden, out of nowhere. Rain on my face right now. It's clear over there, look, there's a blue sky. Even back there's a blue sky. But right above my head, literal rain coming down.